Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways to check the serial number. I'd like to start with the settings, because this is a way in which you will for sure be able to check the serial number, and then I'll show you a secret code which will also work. However, I know that sometimes you can simply forget the code, so the settings will work. Alright, so let's enter the settings. We will start with them. Scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And here we have to scroll down to find the model. After tapping on it, you can see that the serial number appears right here. Let's go back and let me show you the way to use to check the serial number by the secret code. So we have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So as you can see, both ways work. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.